Cost savings, productivity improvements, and sustainability strategies are just some of the reasons why organizations are measuring their environmental performance. The Energy Manager features a range of widgets that support this, monitoring environmental data such as temperature, water, or gas. Here, we will take a quick look at the essential widgets that enable users to do this simply, bringing their environmental and their energy management closer together. The analog and the digital data monitoring widgets make it possible to trends from both types of inputs, while the environmental data widget enables users to check the real-time values from their digital or analog input devices. The input data calculation widget adds to this, enabling users to see the minimum, maximum, and average values from both analog and digital devices. It is also possible to check the status and counter of signaling devices at the site using the States and Counters widget.